Welcome everyone, it's Sherry Carroll for SimonsStamp.com, and I have the reveal and inspiration of our latest card kit, Spring Windows. We are so ready for some spring, and I'm going to start you off with a 6x8 stamp set, and this is also called Spring Windows. It features two large windows. It has several greetings that you can add to it, and it has these window boxes of flowers underneath each of the windows. There's also some brick that you can add to your walls, as well as some speckles so you can add some texture to create some really unique cards. We also have a new exclusive Simon Says Stamp die set, and this is beautiful. It has the gorgeous script lettering and also the shadow behind. Next up is something very special from Tim and Ideology, and this is not quite available in our stores. It is brand spanking new, and we thought you might enjoy it for this kit. These are called quote flares, and there are 12 in the pack. They each feature a flowery or springtime image and also a beautiful quote that you can add onto your cards and mixed media projects. Another new item from Tim is the Ideology Label Sentiment stickers. And again, these are not quite available in the store, but these are black stickers. They are pre-cut and you can just peel them off and add a sentiment to your card. This one sheet has at least 32 greetings for all occasions. Also in the kit, you will get an assortment of 3 of the Tim Holtz Distress markers. These markers are perfect for coloring in your images or using them as a watercolor. I like to open the cap and scribble some color onto a block and then use a water brush to watercolor my images. The papers for this kit come from Cartabella paper, and they are just fresh and perfect for spring. The theme is flower garden, and you can see there are also some windows, somewhat like the stamp, so you can add things together. There's herbs, and the colors are soft tones of pinks and sage, also some blues. There's also some cute rain boots that you can add to your cards. There's also some bold black and white prints, also plaids of pink, and I always adore these pages with designs put together that I can cut up and add to my card. This paper pack has a really great variety of images and backgrounds, so you can mix and match your colors. I really love that there's a coordinating background color that'll match a sheet with printed imagery. So again, this is Cartabella paper. It is called Flower Garden. There are 12 sheets, double-sided, 6x6 papers, in those amazing colors for spring. And to go with your window stamps, we're also including a 4¼ by 5½ sheet of Simon Says Stamp acetate. You could also use that to create a shaker behind your beautiful die. We're also including 2 envelopes, also from Simon Says Stamp, and these are metallic silver and metallic sea glass, and they have the peel-away adhesive. We also have some specialty papers for you. This first one is 8½ by 11 Simon Says Stamp watercolor cardstock. Also Simon Says Stamp vellum, so you can create some windows. Also Simon Says Stamp surf blue and Nina Desert Storm cardstock. Up next, I have some inspiration from our designers using the contents of this kit. The first card is from Cindy Nordberg. She used a clipping of the pattern paper and mixed that with the flower box from one of the stamps and used the label sentiment strips to complete her greeting. Jen Shirkis used watercolors and also white embossed those bricks to create the outside of her house and then added her window on top with a greeting around the arch. Callie did some amazing coloring with her Copics, and she colored in her window shutters and flowers and then used the beautiful die below. I did a no-line watercoloring and I used neutral colors so that I could highlight the quote button in the center of the arch window. I hope you've enjoyed this reveal and inspiration of our latest card kit, Spring Windows. Be sure to check out our blog post for additional inspiration, and as always, thanks so much for watching.